Hey everybody, I'd like to do a quick walk around. This is one of our sold boats. It's the last of the old body style 19s. Here you see it's a 2019 Paddle King Low Pro Angler. We added a Minn Kota quick release plug. We have it pre-wired for the customer. They want to supply their own. Trolling motor. This has a 3-step ladder off the front for getting back in the boat. We have our cleat package. What we have is a swivel seat mounted up front in the center, and then another base further up so he can do a little flipping in the brush on his fishing trips here. We got all of your Tohatsu controls, 20 horsepower Tohatsu, Minn Kota 2-bank digital charger. Everything's nice and neat. Fuel tank that comes with the engine. I'll go up so you can see the inside. How we have this set up here, the swivel seat has a table as well. And from the driver's seat, everything's within reach. We have it set up for just a convenient fishing package. I'd like to thank the Thompsons for purchasing their boat and doing business with us. I'd also like to show you guys underneath. Everything's wired cleanly. We have a deep cycle and a starting battery, all interstate. Here's our 20 horsepower Tohatsu mounted on the back, remote steer. We have storage in the back. We also have a Hiphonics Bluetooth capable radio with kicker speakers. It allows you to listen to the song on here. We also have our High-Z courtesy lights mounted on the console and also on the live well, to where it sends good light on the floor if you get late and you need to find something there. Well, this is it. This is our 2019 Low Pro Angler, last of the old body style. It's going to a new home. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. If you have any questions, email charles@firstautocredit.com, or you can call me on the main line at 204-7777. We also added a red bimini top. We'll have a video posted on how to swap bimini tops. So it makes this boat a nice, clean look. I'll get one more walk around here. It's a good looking boat. Anyways, once again, I'd like to thank the Thompsons for their purchase. And y'all know how to contact me. Y'all have a good evening.